United, expect a left down and I'll call your westbound turn. United 824, runway 16, left to wing. Left to wing, 1 right, American 920. Give it a bigger run. Traffic runway 16 left, clear for takeoff. Number 38 Echo, cancel takeoff clearance. Number 2, let me tell you, you'll be following us Sirius on a 2-mile final, runway 16 left, clear to land. So, from Direction 6, really with you, stand that one to be number 3, following us 7 ahead of you on the downwind, runway 16 left, clear touch field. Affirmative 6 to it, Alpha. American 9824, contact departure. American 9824, American 2138.